I have been making cabbage pierogies for more than 30 years. We learned this recipe from his grandma Gorney, and she taught us how to make the dough and how to cook the cabbage down and how to combine the two to make the most awesome cabbage pierogies. And then I cook them up on the flat top Blackstone griddle, and they turn out just perfect. I want to share my recipe with you, and I hope you make your own cabbage pierogies. Start by cracking eggs into a bowl. Set aside, add the flour to your countertop, add the salt, combine, create a hole in the center of the flour, add the eggs and whip with a little bit of water. Knead the dough until it forms a smooth ball. Cut a piece of the dough off the large dough ball and form into a ball. Sprinkle the work surface with flour and roll out your tiny dough ball into a thin circle. Add a touch of water to the edge of the dough circle. Add your cabbage to the center, fold over and pinch to seal. If you want, you can take a fork and seal the edges to make sure that you get a good seal. Continue to do this until you have made all the cabbage pierogies that you would like. Boil a pot of water and add the pierogies to the boiling water. Cook the pierogies until the dough is completely cooked. Add to a strainer, soak in cold water. Preheat your griddle to 350 or medium on a gas griddle. Use your favorite cooking oil. Country Crock is one of my favorites. You can also use butter. Once the griddle is hot, add the pierogies to the butter. Season to taste with some salt and pepper. Get the golden brown color on both sides. This is where the flavor is, so make sure to get a nice color to it. Once the pierogies are golden brown and heated all the way through, remove them and serve right away. Enjoy. Super delicious.
Yummy.
Thank you for watching my cabbage pierogi video, and make sure to subscribe to my page. Hit the little bell if you want to be notified when I come out with future videos, and make up some awesome cabbage pierogies. Bye.